I've been showing you guys a lot of things about the Jeep. We're going to learn a little lesson today on tires. All right, so these look nice, right? BF Goodrich, all-terrain TAs. They're nice looking tires. Baja Champions, right? So when I got the vehicle, it had good tires on it. I took a look at it. They hadn't been shined in a while, and I put some shine on them, and they've got some dry rot, right? My son, who works at Casa Toyota, selling Toyotas, shout out to Chance Cass at Casa Toyota, pointed out the dry rot down in the tread. So I got to thinking, this vehicle has sat for quite a while. I wonder how old the tires are, because just because they're not worn out doesn't mean they're safe. So what I'm going to show you is how to check the date code on your tires. So, man, I keep saying so a lot. Do you see those four numbers in circles? 38, 12. So the way to decode this is the 3/8 is the 38th week of the year. So there's 52 weeks in a year. So that puts it roughly 3/4 of the way through the year. So think somewhere around August, September. And the second two digits for tires made after 2020 is the year of manufacture. So these BFGs that are on here are from about September of 2012. Needless to say, I just ordered some new tires because I commute in this thing going about 70 miles an hour. So if you pick up a vehicle and it seems to have good tires, always check the date codes. Let's check this one, see if they were all manufactured around the same time. Oh wow, that one's even worse. So that one is, where are we here? That one appears to be 09 of 12. Yeesh, the 9th week of 12. That's a February 2012. Let's check the other one here. I think you guys see how this works. 18 of 12. So the 18th week of 2012. And coming around to the driver's front, this one is 37 of 12. All right, so very close to the other one. So these things are 12 years old. Does it mean they're gonna rupture tomorrow? Nope, sure doesn't, but I'm not taking my chances, and I just ordered 4 new tires yesterday. Got some Cooper Evolution MTs, $884, getting them installed on Friday.